Allow it to be deep while being grateful for knowing it is life-giving. Continue breathing life. This is our time to let God hold us from the inside. And from the outside. Experience yourself cradled in and of the presence of God. The power of divine spirit right now, right here. Just be with it. Let that power hold you now. Allow whatever thoughts flow into this presence to simply be there and be with them. We allow our minds to go where they will in this time of quiet. And we experience heavenly peace right here on earth. Simply be with this beautiful power that creates us, supports us, and nurtures us. Just be with it. That's all. Breathe into it. We know we are safe. We trust our minds to take us where they will now. Relax into this moment, please. Sweet child, relax into this moment. Breathe into it. Surrender to it. Sit atop the summit of the power of God, the power of Spirit, and use this time to enjoy the view. Experience heavenly peace. Peace that is indescribable as you breathe into it right now. Relax, sweet child. Simply relax. Enfolded in and through the power of God. Today is a sunny, pleasant day of spirit, regardless of outer circumstances. And right now, we simply surrender to that presence and that experience. Just be there. Simply be here now. We let our minds wander where they will. Continue to breathe deeply as we come back to this time and place. You may want to wiggle your toes and wiggle your fingers and open your eyes. Behold the beauty that sits around you and populates this beautiful room. You're looking at the face of God as you do, through the eyes of God as you do. We bless you all on this beautiful Father's Day.